Christmas cheer, though, every Sunday Andrew spreads knowledge about weather patterns and various atmospheric conditions. Basically the same thing.
Yeah, absolutely. Meteorologist Andrew DiPaolo, you are here with another edition of Andrew's Answers with a bow on top.
Yeah.
What's the question this week?
Yeah, no, I just prance around and throw meteorological information and, it's pretty much the same thing. Anyway, let's get to the question. More of like a winter holiday-like question this week from JR. He wants to know, does a warm summer mean more lake effect snow? And we kind of have to explain what exactly forms lake effect snow, how that occurs, because there is a slight correlation, but it's not really the same thing. I really can't say that a warm summer would mean more snow, but late season warmth does mean warmer water temperatures. And how does that all play? When you have colder air coming down from the northwest, it moves over that body of warm water. So in this case, let me back up there. There we go. Warmer water. So if the water in the Great Lakes is still warm, it's going to prevent that ice from forming, right? So if that colder air is moving over, it's going to be picking up all of that moisture from the Great Lakes, condensing it, evaporating it, and then it's going to freeze as it makes it into the upper portions of the atmosphere, and then of course fall as snow. So if we still have warmer air, warmer temperatures rather, later on in the season, and that water isn't really freezing over, it's really open for business, as we like to say, when it comes to lake effect snow. So the more water, the more warmth, the warmer those temperatures in the water are in the Great Lakes, the more lake effect snow we are going to have. And of course, we have the secondary snow belt in portions of Trumbull and Mercer County and the northernmost portions of Mercer and Trumbull County. They're part of the southernmost primary snow belt. All right, this is kind of a double Andrew's Answers. Wanted to talk about fall foliage a little bit because I'm not going to fit it into my weathers today. But right now, we're actually at moderate foliage stage. If you want to head a little to the east, we're close actually to high foliage, even peak foliage, southern Pennsylvania over towards portions of West Virginia, especially in the upper elevations. This week, though, we should be getting pretty close to our peak, especially maybe next week with some of that cooler air moving in. Really, though, these dry, cooler nights are what's going to help change those leaves over. So we're going to see a drastic change here coming up in the next week. All right, if you want to answer, you want me to answer a weather science, nature, astronomy related question, send it in to me. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, email, phone call. Actually, don't call me, but Andrew at Andrew WFMJ is how you can find me for that. Steve and Lindsay, over to you.